Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. OpenTable is a popular online restaurant reservation service platform. It allows diners to search for and book tables at participating restaurants using its website and mobile app. OpenTable's extensive network includes thousands of restaurants worldwide, offering a wide variety of cuisines and dining experiences. Users can browse restaurants by location, cuisine, price range, availability, and even special features like outdoor seating or private dining rooms. The platform provides detailed restaurant information, including menus, photos, user reviews, and ratings, enabling informed dining decisions. Real-time availability updates ensure a seamless booking experience. Diners can often make reservations instantly, eliminating the need for phone calls and potential wait times. Furthermore, OpenTable offers a rewards program where users accumulate points for each reservation made, redeemable for dining certificates. This loyalty program incentivizes repeat usage and adds value for frequent diners. Beyond reservations, OpenTable also offers features like personalized recommendations based on dining history and preferences. Users can save favorite restaurants, create dining lists for future occasions, and even share dining experiences with friends. For restaurants, OpenTable provides a table management system to streamline operations and optimize seating capacity. This system helps restaurants manage reservations efficiently, reduce no-shows, and maximize revenue. OpenTable continues to evolve, integrating with other platforms and adding features to enhance the dining experience for both users and restaurant partners. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive restaurant selection, and added benefits like the rewards program make it a valuable resource for anyone looking to dine out.